In this quick guide, you'll learn how to sign in to RBC Royal Bank online banking. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a refresher, this tutorial will ensure you access your account easily and securely. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the RBC Secure Sign-In page. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to reach the RBC website. This is the official portal where you'll perform all your online banking activities, so make sure you're on the legitimate site to keep your information safe. Once you're on the Secure Sign-In page, you'll see a prompt to enter your details. Here, you have two options. You can either enter your client card number or, if you've set one up, your custom username. This is the unique identifier that RBC uses to recognize you, so ensure you input it correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. Next, it's time to enter your password. This is your personal key to accessing your account, so make sure it's both strong and memorable. If you're ever concerned about the security of your password, consider using a password manager to keep it safe. It's also a good idea to change your password regularly to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've entered both your username and password, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This action will take you directly into your RBC Royal Bank online banking account, where you'll have full access to all your banking needs. From checking your account balance to making transactions, everything you need is just a click away. And that's how to sign in to RBC Royal Bank online banking. It's a straightforward process, but remember, keeping your login details private is crucial to securing your financial information. If you ever face any issues or forget your login details, RBC has customer support available to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you access your account with ease. Don't forget to log out after completing your banking tasks, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. Stay safe and happy banking.